Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the MINI Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.